Ready to transform your look and embrace your silver strands with confidence? Which of these chic, low-maintenance cuts will be your signature style? 1. Textured Silver Pixie. This cut is ideal for women with fine to medium hair, offering maximum volume and minimal styling effort. The choppy layers are specifically designed to enhance the natural dimension of silver or platinum gray, giving a youthful lift to the face. Choosing a slightly longer pixie on top allows for versatile styling. You can wear it sleek for formal events or tousled for everyday chic. It works wonderfully for those with prominent cheekbones and a strong jawline. 2. Classic Graduated Bob. A graduated bob adds necessary fullness to the back of the head, making it an excellent choice for hair that has lost density. The classic, defined line at the chin offers a polished, professional, and timelessly elegant finish. Introducing subtle, soft layers into the bob prevents it from looking too heavy and allows for natural movement. This cut beautifully complements those with natural salt and pepper gray, emphasizing the color variation. 3. Salt and Pepper Shag. The shag is perfect for creating maximum body and movement in hair that tends to fall flat. Its feathered layers and light bangs beautifully blend natural gray growth, making the transition seamless and stylishly effortless. This textured cut is inherently low maintenance, requiring only a little product to enhance the choppiness and lift. It's a fantastic choice for those who want to avoid frequent salon visits while maintaining a modern, spirited look. 4. Sleek Angled Bob. The dramatic angle of this bob creates a powerful, high-fashion statement that works well with naturally straight or smoothly styled hair. The length being shorter in the back instantly creates the illusion of lift and a longer neck. This style is excellent for framing the face, particularly flattering rounder or softer features by adding structure and definition. The subtle incorporation of lighter streaks adds a modern, dimensional glow. 5. Voluminous Curly Crop. This wash and go style is a celebration of natural texture, eliminating the need for extensive heat styling. The shape allows for magnificent volume at the crown, which instantly lifts and brightens the entire face. For women with looser curls or waves, a longer crop allows the beautiful spiral pattern to shine. This style provides softness and a romantic texture, making it universally flattering for most facial shapes. 6. Tapered Spiky Cut. This edgy, contemporary cut is all about attitude and easy maintenance. The short taper on the sides and back, combined with textured spikes on top, gives a fantastic, youthful lift, especially effective for straight hair. A less aggressive approach to the spiky cut, where the top layers are merely feathered and directed upward. This creates a softer, but equally energetic silhouette, perfect for making fine hair appear significantly thicker. 7. Feathered Side Swept Pixie. The long, sweeping fringe is the key to this style's elegance, expertly covering and softening a high or broad forehead. The feathered layers allow the hair to fall naturally with soft movement, avoiding a helmet-like appearance. By keeping the layers shorter, you gain an even lower maintenance style that still maintains the flattering effect of the side sweep. This shape enhances the eyes and cheekbones, keeping the focus on your central features. 8. Blunt Jaw-Length Bob. This cut is the epitome of sophistication and requires a smooth, straight texture to truly shine. The sharp, clean line at the jaw emphasizes bone structure, creating a modern, graphic, and incredibly polished look. Slightly turning the ends inward adds a touch of retro charm and helps to frame the lower half of the face, drawing attention to the chin and neck. This is a subtle way to soften the graphic nature of the blunt cut. 9. Icy Blonde Undercut. An undercut is a fabulous way to manage thick hair, removing bulk while adding a bold, modern edge. The contrast between the closely shaved section and the longer top layers creates dramatic lift and texture. Keeping the top section longer allows for more versatility, enabling you to style it forward as a soft fringe or sweep it up for more height. This cut is inherently expressive and perfect for a confident woman. 10. Soft Layered Bixie. The Bixie is the perfect compromise for those wanting to go shorter without fully committing to a pixie. The soft layers throughout this cut enhance movement and are highly flattering for women with medium length, wavy, or slightly thinning hair. Choosing a choppier texture on the Bixie gives a more modern, playful finish. This cut is incredibly easy to maintain, and the subtle choppiness helps to mask any areas of lower density by creating visual deception.